Hi ma'am, good day. Can you tell me something about yourself?
My name is Camila K. Salazar Sandigan. I am 24 years old. I live in Poblacion, Valencia City, Lombo. I am a single mother.
How many children do you have, ma'am?
I have one children, 6 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
We are all 11 and I'm 11.
Can you tell me about your educational background?
I am a high school graduate.
Do you have work experience abroad?
No?
How about local experience, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
As a?
As a housemaid.
Okay, so can you tell me, ma'am, your duties and responsibilities as a housemaid here in the Philippines?
My responsibilities is cooking, washing clothes, and taking care of children.
Okay, so how old are the children, ma'am?
1 and 5 years old, ma'am.
Okay, so how would you describe yourself?
I can describe myself as a patient, hardworking, and trustworthy.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you show me your tattoo, ma'am?
Here, ma'am.
So, can you tell me the meaning of your tattoo?
It's a butterfly, a meaning to my lola, ma'am.
Okay, did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
Yes, ma'am. 6 years ago, I am a C-section.
Why do you want to work abroad, ma'am?
I want to work abroad because I want to earn more and I want to give my family a better future.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No?
How about big dogs, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give me your idea? How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will talk to them. I will talk to them clearly and calmly, ma'am.
So, what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I will promise to you that I will do my best as a worker, and I can assure you that I am hardworking and trustworthy and multitasking.
Okay, so that's all, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.